สวัสดีค่ะ My Thai Learning BFFs. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to use Thai personal pronouns as subjects and objects of the sentence. If you're ready, let's go and live our Thai passion. First of all, we're going to have a look at the basic sentence structure, also known as โครงสร้างประโยคพื้นฐานโครงสร้างประโยคพื้นฐานโครงสร้าง means structure ประโยค means sentence and พื้นฐาน means basic sentence structure โครงสร้างประโยคพื้นฐาน At the core of every sentence there must be at least a subject and a verb, and other parts of speech can be added depending on what we want to say. But in this case, we're going to add the objects because we're going to learn how to place personal pronouns as a subject and an object, right, of a sentence. So the subject of the sentence, everyone, is known as ประธานของประโยคประธานของประโยค and this basically is a person or thing or a place or an animal. However, in this case, because we practicing using personal pronouns, so it's going to be one of the personal pronouns, right? Because it's the person doing the verb. The verb is basically known as คำกริยา which is a doing word that describe an action. And the object of the sentence is known as กรรมของประโยค This is basically a person or thing that is being affected by the action of the verb. Okay? So remember the structure. Subject, verb, object. But before we get into some sentence examples, let's learn some verbs. So here are some verbs for you. Verbs is known as คำกริยาคำกริยา Okay? So again, what I'm going to do is say each word twice, tell you the tone and then say it again. And your job is to repeat and mimic the sound the best you can. Alright? So the first one on the list is ชอบชอบ falling tone ชอบ which means to like. This means to like something, as in you don't hate it. Okay, everyone, it's not would like something. Okay. The second one is รักรัก high tone รัก which means to love. Next one is มี mid tone มี which means to have. And the next one is ช่วย falling tone ช่วย which means to help. And the next one is มาหา มาหา is a compound verb because the word มา on its own, มา mid-toneมา mid-tone means to come, and หา rising tone หา which means to look for or to search for, but when you put the two together, มาหา means to go and see someone. Okay? The last one is ไปเยี่ยม ไป mid tone เยี่ยม falling tone. Again, this is a compound verb because the word ไป mid tone ไป means to go, and เยี่ยม falling tone เยี่ยม means to visit. When you put the two together, ไปเยี่ยม means to go and visit someone. Right, are you ready for some sentence examples? And take note of the sentence structure. Remember, subject, verb, object. Let's have a look at some sentence examples now. So here are some sentence examples for you. ตัวอย่างประโยค ตัวอย่าง means example, and ประโยค means sentence. So you see, in Thai we don't say sentence examples, we say example sentence. ตัวอย่างประโยค Okay, let's have a look at the first sentence. เขาชอบเธอ เขาชอบเธอ He likes her. So you see, เขา is the subject in this sentence. So it means he. Whereas เธอ comes after the verb ชอบ. So it's the object in this case. So then it means her. เขาชอบเธอ He likes her. Now let's look at the second sentence and compare the position. Okay? เธอรักเขา เธอรักเขา She loves him. So you see, now เธอ is in the position of the subject. So therefore เธอ now means she. And เขา is in the object's position. So เขา now means him. เธอรักเขา 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 She loves him. And the last sentence here. คุณมีฉัน คุณมีฉัน You have me. So คุณ is in the subject position. So it's you, means you. And ฉัน is in the object position. So it means me. คุณมีฉัน คุณมีฉัน You have me. You do. I'm your Thai learning BFF. So now let's have a look at some more sentence examples. And here are some more ตัวอย่างประโยค for you. Okay? So the first one is ฉันช่วยพวกเขา ฉันช่วยพวกเขา I helped them. So you see, ฉัน means I. For female speaker is in the subject position, so it means I, right? And then พวกเขา is in the object position, so it means them. ฉันช่วยพวกเขา I helped them. And the next sentence. พวกเขามาหาพวกเรา พวกเขามาหาพวกเรา พวกเขา is now in the subject position, so it means they. And then พวกเรา is in the object position, so it means us. พวกเขามาหาพวกเรา They came to see us. And the last sentence. พวกเราไปเยี่ยม Jane. พวกเราไปเยี่ยม Jane. พวกเรา is now in the subject position, so it means we. ไปเยี่ยม to go visit, and Jane is in the object position, so Jane is the object in this sentence. พวกเราไปเยี่ยม Jane we went to visit Jane. And that is the end of our lesson. But what you may have noticed is verbs doesn't change form regardless of the subject or tense in Thai, right? And that is what we're going to talk a little bit more in our next lesson, which I have planned for you. I'll get on to record that as soon as I get a chance, all right? But for now, make sure that you learn the new verbs that we have covered in this lesson, all right? And remember your basic sentence structure โครงสร้างประโยคพื้นฐาน Until the next time สวัสดีค่ะ